Ready to turn those TikTok views into Jamaican dollars? First, make sure you're eligible. You need to be at least 18 years old, meet the minimum follower requirement, which varies, and comply with TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. Now, let's get to the money. Open TikTok and go to your profile. Then tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings and privacy menu. Next, look for balance and tap it. This is where you'll see your available earnings. On the balance screen, you'll see the withdraw option. Tap on that. Here's the crucial part for Jamaican creators. TikTok typically offers PayPal as a primary withdrawal method if direct bank transfer is available in Jamaica. You might see that option too. Select your preferred withdrawal method. If you choose PayPal, you'll need to link your verified PayPal account. Make sure the name on your TikTok account matches your PayPal account for a smooth transaction. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be a minimum withdrawal amount. Heads up, TikTok or your payment provider may charge transaction fees, and processing times can vary. Check the details carefully before confirming. Finally, review all the information and confirm your withdrawal. You should receive a notification once the funds have been transferred. Now go treat yourself.